Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, Group Policy MVP and founder of PolicyPak Software. And in this video, we're going to do a super fast quick start of PolicyPak Cloud. So before you get started here, you should actually have two welcome letters. One that gets you into the customer portal where you can download the latest bits. And that's where the actual products themselves live, and you'll download those bits and have them. And I'll show you that when we get started with the install. But I've already done that to make things a little faster. The second thing you'll need is a welcome letter to the PolicyPak Cloud. And in PolicyPak Cloud, you'll see that you will have licenses for the product snap-ins that you've licensed. So in this case, PolicyPak Application Manager and PolicyPak Preferences. And you can see the number of licenses that are in your pool. The first place you're going to want to go is under Company Details. So under Company Details, you're going to go all the way to the end and look for the downloads. And you'll download the cloud client for your company. And this is what gets each of your computers into PolicyPak Cloud. I've already done this, so I'm going to then go over to my computer, my target computer, and let's go ahead and get installed, and I'll show you how it all works. Okay, so here we are in our target machine, and you can see we've got a variety pack of applications installed already. PolicyPak doesn't deliver applications, and that's not what we're trying to do. Our job is to manage application settings and also get those settings to you using PolicyPak Cloud. So you can see you've got WinZip here, and a common configuration of WinZip might be that you want to deliver password settings, something like that. In Firefox, if we take a look at Firefox, you might want to deliver things like the home page and some security settings, because if a user kind of works around your settings, then that's not good for you. So a user just worked around your settings. And here's Java. And Java, you might want to do things like set it so Java doesn't auto-update, and you might want to set the Java security tab to very high, because if a user makes it medium or something like that, that's not good for you. So what we're going to do is this is what you get in the download when you go to the customer portal. So the first thing we're going to install is the first client-side extension for PolicyPak Application Manager. So this just takes a couple seconds to install, and this does need to be on the target machine in order for the magic to actually work. And that's it. So now let's go to PolicyPak Preferences. This is our second product. This is the one that enables you to receive group policy preferences directives and maintain them even if a user tries to go offline or work around them. So it keeps group policy preferences components in compliance. And that's it. So this last piece is the cloud client that you downloaded from your instance of PolicyPak Cloud. You can see it's got a name PolicyPak Cloud Client for your company, and there's a 32-bit and a 64-bit version. Now, what we try to do at this point is make contact to the cloud, consume one of your available licenses, and as soon as we do that, we download the directives, and I've already got directives for WinZip, Firefox, Java, and a group policy preference item, just so we could see it all work right in one shot. And that's it. So here's what it did. It made contact, went out to the internet, downloaded the directives. You can see it already picked up the group policy preferences directive. It's the computer itself is assigned to a group called All. And let's take a look and go through these applications one by one. We'll go to WinZip, Options Config, boom. PolicyPak delivers the settings and keeps them automatically remediated in case users try to work around those settings. So if a user is naughty, we make them unnaughty. If we go to Firefox here, you can see the home page is now PolicyPak, and you can see that security options have been delivered and locked down. I only delivered 2 of the checkboxes and also the home page, and it's also locked down. If we go to Java, we want Java to, well, not auto-update. You can see that that's been delivered, and the security settings have been set to very high. So that is PolicyPak Cloud, the result of PolicyPak Cloud. How did we make the directives for PolicyPak Cloud? Well, that part is equally easy as well. Inside your group policy editor, all you need to do is, for PolicyPak Application Manager items, simply right-click and export the settings to a data file. That's it. For a group policy preferences item, it's pretty simple as well. I'll take a device item here, and I want to say prevent using a particular, I don't know, just for fun, I'll use CD-ROMs, okay? So now that I've said don't use this CD-ROM, you can simply take the group policy preferences item, drag and drop it to the desktop, and that's where, back in PolicyPak Cloud, Let me switch back here. Here we go. So right back here in PolicyPak Cloud, your computer joined by default this all group, and I've already, in my example, uploaded and linked these XML data files, some for PolicyPak Application Manager, some for PolicyPak Preferences like shortcuts and power options, right there already. So as soon as that computer consumes the license, boom, magic happens. You can also move computers from a particular, from the all group as you wish to your company groups. So in this way, you're moving computers that start off in all or unassigned, and you can move them to your branch office 1, 2, 3, and so on, or doctor's office, nurse's office, and architect's office if you're an MSP, things like that. So that's it for PolicyPak Cloud 101. I hope you'll get started real soon. If you have any questions, please post them on the forums or talk to your salesperson, and we'll get you headed in the right direction. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon.